Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillette. I wanted to show you today the new 2021 Ford F-150 PowerBoost with some of the generator capabilities. So this one here has the 7.2 kilowatt upgrade. You can get a 2.4 if you want. This one has the full Mac Daddy. In the box you have power supply. You have power supply in the back seat, and you got power supply right up here. Both the back seat and the front one are 20 amp, and you even have a reset breaker right there too, which is pretty cool. So if you trip the breaker, this is how you reset that. Inside, so there is a quick button right above the big 12-inch screen, which is right here. So if you press that, you're going to see it says low power mode on, and that means that essentially we are able to, one of our breakers is tripped, that's fine. Essentially we are able to plug into our low power mode, you know, like the plugins right here, and draw from the generator and the battery. Then if I press this again, it will give us another indication of generator mode on, and it says warning, it'll use the vehicle to run if it needs to power the outlets, use the vehicle outside. So that's smart, because if you have this in a garage, you have that on, it feels low power, you can start filling up the garage with exhaust fumes. So the other place that you can see this information is where you see this bottom button features. Press this and all of a sudden we can see Pro Power Onboard. You can also see Power Flow. Power Flow is just showing us what's happening with the battery of the vehicle, and well, if we're driving, how it's working. It's just idling right now. If we go back and we go to this Pro Power Onboard, you can see I have it in generator mode, which means both the A and the B circuit are operating. And you can see we have 3,600 watts on this one, 3,600 watts on that one. And we are pulling almost nothing from either one of them right now. The truck's at idle, so you can't hear it running or anything because it's just running off the lithium battery. But if we start drawing, you'll see if we draw on that side, so there's two sets of receptacles in the box. So they run off of A, and the ones in the cab run off of A, and you can see how much power you're running. And then you have a set of receptacles in the box that run off of B, and then the 30 amp breaker runs off of A and B together, so you can pull a full 7,200 watts out of that. If you press this will turn off generator mode, and again we're back on a kind of low power mode where we're just pulling off the A breakers. Just heard the truck fire up, so it needs the engine to charge things up a little bit. So this is low power mode. We're running off just the receptacles in the cab and the one set of breakers, or one set of outlets in the box. You can go through and test it. If you want, you can test for ground faults. So if you press test, we press test and make sure the ground fault detection is good. It says the ground is detected, which is good. I can reset that if I want. We can get out of here. I can close that. One of the breakers in the back must be tripped right now. You can hit an information button. It'll explain to you how those A and B breakers are working and how both A breakers are in the cab. So yeah, that's just a quick little video on how all that works. Gives you an idea. If you have any questions, let me know.